What's up, guys? Video information here. So we have the stock market news Wednesday, September 25th, 2019. The five stocks, just so you guys know if you want to continue to be watching this video or not, are going to be General Mills, Intel, Adobe, Berkshire Hathaway, and Beyond Meat. And as always, as for the second time, seeing as how this is the second video in the series, I put how many days old each of these articles are going to be. So the General Mills one was the oldest one. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Waiting for that page to load. All right, so first up, we have General Mills recalls gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour over E. coli fears. So today, General Mills announced a nationwide recall for 5-pound bags of gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour. To go ahead and break it down to the information that you would want to look for, just in case any of you guys do have this product, is 5-pound gold medal unbleached all-purpose flour. Like we already said, the package UPC number is 01600019610, and it's best if used by the date September 6th, 2020. So if it has that information, probably don't want to be using it. And then they go on to say too about how obviously you shouldn't want eat raw cookie dough or anything like that, which I'm always guilty of if I ever make a cake or something. But I don't have to worry about this because I already checked my cabinet. I definitely don't have this one. But moving on to the next article. Sorry, that wasn't so much stock or business related, but definitely something I feel like everyone should know at the moment. Next up, we have Intel. And this article right here actually is related to Intel, so we'll move on to that in a second. So Intel Ethernet 800 series, if this thing would get out of my way. Intel Ethernet 800 series to support NVMe over TCP. Okay, well, we don't need to read all those letters. That's doing too much. Do you see all these ads, guys? They just spam them in your face. So today at the SNIA Storage Developer Conference, Intel is sharing more information about their 100 gigabyte Ethernet chips, first announced in April and due to hit the market next month. The upcoming 800 series Ethernet controllers and adapters will be Intel's first 100 gigabyte Ethernet solutions and also featured expanded capabilities for hardware accelerated packet processing. So without going further into that, I did want to see if any companies were using this product, once it comes out. And it does seem like their first one is actually going to be Aerospike. So Aerospike 4.7 optimized for the Intel Ethernet 800 series with ADQ network adapter enables enterprises to move beyond NUMA pinning to speed up applications by quickly moving vast amounts of data to and from the edge, the core, and the cloud. So pretty cool stuff. I talked about AMD and NVIDIA yesterday, so I thought I might as well talk about Intel today if I could find anything, and this was definitely worth mentioning. But now we can go ahead and go to the third stock, which is going to be Adobe. This is also one day ago, just like the Intel. So Adobe's fantastic iPad app for drawing and painting is finally available. Gotta wait for that page to load. I'm telling you guys, it's always wait, gotta spam some more ads on your page. So it's called Fresco. So today, Adobe has officially released Fresco for the iPad, bringing an impressive set of drawing and interactive painting tools to Apple's tablet, which will further help legitimize its use as a serious creative tool. The app was announced nearly a year ago in October of 2018, and we spent quite a bit of time with it ourselves last month. So I guess it's this guy right here, Andrew Liz. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that last name, but I'm guessing that's who is saying we spend quite a bit of time. But the app is currently freely available to Adobe Creative Cloud subscribers or can be purchased as a standalone app for $10 a month with the first 6 months free. That's pretty cool. If you buy it before the end of the year, Adobe is also making it available free to use, but with a reduced tool set and output limited to the resolution of the iPad screen, because they want you to clearly get it through their service probably on the laptop or desktop. But anyways, moving on to the fourth article, guys. Next up, we have Berkshire Hathaway. Why did it just like go back up on me like that? Come on. Is it going to do it again? Okay. I don't know why I did that. That's so weird. I'm still learning this Chromebook. But anyways, Berkshire Hathaway is article number 4. This one was interesting because basically one of the people that was working for him is leaving the company and she's going to start her own. Go ahead and I love that picture of him too. It's a cool picture. The man himself. I literally hit up, guys, and it doesn't even go up. It's crazy. All right. Warren Buffett may have groomed Tracy Britt Cool for the last decade, but now she's ready to step out on her own. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Manhattan native is leaving Berkshire Hathaway to create her own firm. Britt Cool, who now lives in Chicago, was hired by Buffett in 2009 as his financial assistant. He created the job for the Harvard Business School graduate who was initially tasked with overseeing the Omaha-based company's investment in Berkshire, a joint venture between Berkshire and Jefferies Financial Group, Inc. Since that time, she also has served as a chairwoman of Benjamin Moore and Company, Larson Jewell, Johns Manville, and Oriental Trading Company. Britt Cool has specialized in helping struggling Berkshire companies. She was the fireman, quotation, by Buffett told WSJ. Anything I've assigned her, she's done a first-class job on. In 2014, she was taped. I don't like that word. I feel like poised maybe would have been a better word than taped, but she was taped to become CEO of Berkshire subsidiary Pampered Chef, a role that she plans to relinquish at the end of March. Now 35, Britt Cool told the newspaper that she wants to build a long-term platform and a long-term vehicle to acquire and build businesses. That's a lot of ands. There are companies that I think there's a lot of value in helping them get to the next level, but they're too small for Berkshire. Buffett told WSJ that he understands her decision, especially since he made a similar decision to work for himself in 1956. This is crazy, guys. 63 years ago, when you just think about that, like I'm 23, so that's almost 3 times my age. Absolutely crazy. That is an old man. But anyways, today this article came out for Beyond Meat, so let's go ahead and jump to it. Forgot to close that. I'm OCD about not closing pages. I have so many friends that'll have like 35 pages up. Just drives me nuts. So Impossible Burger, which is a product by Beyond Meat, goes on sale at all Wegmans and 2 Fairway Market stores Thursday. I don't know. Let's block that. So to get more into the article, the plant-based meat goes on sale Thursday, so tomorrow, at all 100 Wegmans grocery stores in 7 states and 2 Manhattan Fairway Market locations. So Wegmans has stores in New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Virginia, Maryland, Massachusetts, and North Carolina. The Fairway locations getting the product are the 74th Street and 86th Street stores. The company said in a news release it will expand its retail presence by launching the Impossible Burger in industry-leading grocery stores in key regions throughout the year and in early 2020. And then for the last part, we have right down here, was it this part? Yeah. So the meat-free burgers are sold at more than 17,000 restaurants, including White Castle, Burger King, Red Robin, and the Cheesecake Factory. A 12-ounce package of Impossible Burger will cost $9 at Wegmans, Fairway, and Gelson's. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Gelson's, maybe? It's probably Gelson's. But anyways, Impossible's launch into grocery stores comes after 3 years in restaurants and less than 2 months after the Food and Drug Administration on July 31st approved the protein-based color additive Impossible Foods uses to make its burgers look and bleed like real meat. Sorry, I kind of read that backwards, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to read that part. That is it, though, guys. Those are the five stocks and articles for the day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, as I always ask, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more content like this, as well as portfolio updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feed you information out.